Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia XZ2, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this Sony. Start by opening Settings. After that, you need to select Apps and Notifications, choose Advanced and click on App Permissions. Then pick one of your phone's features like Location and select one of your apps, like Maps. Over here, pick one of those options by tapping on the chosen one. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. I will go with deny, so in this case, because this is Maps and Location, I need to choose deny anyway and go back. And now, as you can see, Maps no longer has access to my device location. But you can also tap on one of your apps like Chrome, select See All Chrome permissions over here and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!